What is Synergy PM?
Synergy PM is King Harvest tincture, 50% ACDC based CBD, cannabidiol, and 50% indica based THC, flower only extraction, organic, ethanol, food grade alcohol only. It is a beautiful thing for lowering inflammation. It is a beautiful thing for pain management, symptom management, for anxiety, insomnia, depression, right? It is a wonderful, consistent, and safe workhorse for both pediatrics and as well as geriatrics, and for people that are just starting to get into cannabis. The Synergy PM tincture is wonderful because you'll notice that the PM's in the blue bottle, but these drops, tinctures are going to give you pain relief that is akin to, 4, 6, even 8 hours of relief, whereas smoking flower is going to hit instantly, but only last for, an hour or two. So this is 4 to 6 hours of meaningful pain management, insomnia relief, anxiety relief. It's very cost effective. It is perfectly measured at 0.5 milligram of cannabinoids per drop. So for our loved ones that are gently exploring medical cannabis for its legitimate medical value, this is the perfect nighttime product for its overall, it has so many different uses. It's so gentle, it's so consistent, and it's so cost effective. This is for a child, a young person, an elderly person, a pet. This is the perfect entrance point. Yeah.
Reproducible effects every time.
Absolutely. It's going to give you, for a very low cost, it's going to give you the ability to explore if medical cannabis is going to work for you. And you're going to get the symptom and pain relief just under the cognitive high, so you don't have to be high to experience the benefits with this. Again, it's gentle, consistent, measured, perfect for legitimate medical use. Right?
And my personal favorite.
Mine too.